to the second new episode of Teens My Nieces React, and today it's Nyan the cat. Caitlin, 8 years old. So Caitlin, what did we just watch?
Nyan cat.
Nyan cat, yeah. And what exactly happened in it?
It was just going.
Yeah, and yeah. So what was the song doing? What was the song?
I don't know. It was just going.
Okay. And did you like it?
Yeah.
And why do you like it?
Because it's different. It's random.
Okay. And why exactly what does exactly it look like? What does it exactly look like?
It's a cat that has rainbows. When it needs to go a toilet, it just goes to the sky and goes.
Okay.
But when it goes, it poops out rainbows and...
Yeah, what does the cat actually look like? What does it look like?
Brown.
No.
Metal.
No.
Grey.
It was grey. Okay. And what was on the cat's body?
Pop-tart.
No, it was a Pop-Tart.
Pop-tart.
Pop-Tart!
Pop-tart.
Pop-Tart!
Pop-tart.
Yes! Oh my god!
Tart.
Tart!
I said
Pop-Tart! Tart! Thank you for coming. Caitlin, 8 years old. Chelsea, 6 years old. So what did we just watch, Chelsea?
A cat going...
No, what was it? What was it called? It's alright if you don't know.
Don't know.
Yeah, it was Nyan cat. And what exactly was it doing?
It was just doing rainbows across the sky and singing.
What did it look like?
Grey.
Yeah, what was on its body?
Pink.
Oh my god.
Pop-tart.
Yeah, it was a pop.
Pop-tart!
Pop-Tart!
I'm 8 years old.
Okay, and did you like it?
Yeah,
Why did you like it?
because it was very funny.
It was funny. How did you find it funny? Like, on a scale of 1 to 10, what was it funny? 10, really funny. 1, not funny.
Not another one.
Maybe
I told you.
7 or 8. Or, well,
Really liked it.
so 10 or 9. Yeah?
9.
Okay, and what exactly did you like about it? Like, did you like the fact that it was pooping out rainbows, or did you just like the Pop-Tart on the body?
The Pop-tart. Pop-tart. Both.
Okay, thank you. Chelsea, 6 years old. Thank you for watching my second episode of Neices React. Thank you. Until next time, bye!